The main problem of making the AI image to make the prompt at first, because of when we want to make some image, we don't know how would be the prompt, what will be the prompt parameters and everything. So here is the solution. I'll show you a magical tool which will help you out to make the magical prompt for your desired photo. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, go to the Google Chrome and write down CHROME store. So after that, you will get the search bar and write down here image to prompt. Just hit the enter button. You'll get this first one. Just click over there. Here will appear add to Chrome option. Yes, add the extension. So after adding the extension, you will able to see here something appeared over there, and pin those things. When you will pin that, it will appear in a upside of that. So turn it off. And now any sort of photo you can search of. Suppose you want to search of like a supercar. Okay, it could be the supercar. So go to the image and just watch over there. So suppose this photo you loved it, and right press over there and then image to prompt. It will automatically read the image and provide the prompt for you guys. And go to any sort of free AI. I'm using here like the Recraft, or you can use any sort of AI like Mid Journey or Playground or any Leonardo, whatever. So going to the images, and after that we got the prompt. Copy that prompt and going to the Recraft and just recraft that. You can set the parameters or like the orientation like 1:1 or rectangle or like vertical, whatever you can choose. So you got your desired result. But here if we try another sort of photo like food photography, you can write down food photography. Here are lots of food photography. This sort of food photography, we should try the complex photo. Here is the pizza photo. Right press and image to prompt over there, and it will read down or analyze that photo, which one you just given over there, and after that it will provide you the prompt. Copy those things and going to the Recraft again, and just I'm changing up the parameters. Suppose I want to make this one horizontal, and Ctrl Command V and press or hit the Recraft button. It will show you the photo is making here some pizza, wooden boards, cheese platter, then rustic, then Italian cuisine, melted mozzarella, tomato and everything. So here we got the desired result. But here we seen here some way better some orientation over there. But if you want to get more result or more accurate result, near to accurate result, you have to use the paid AI, which is like a Mid Journey AI. So let's see what Mid Journey providing us. I'm just opening up my Discord and we'll try it in a Mid Journey. What is the result coming up over there. So here is our Mid Journey, and I'm in a Discord. I'm just pasting that things, imagine prompt and Ctrl Command V. Same orientation. For the orientation aspect ratio AR like 3:2 and C10 and S250. I'm just providing the prompt and parameters over there and just hit the enter button. Let's see. Actually I just made some mistake. Yes, here I just missed some hyphen over there, so that's fine. And those parameter I added for getting better result, or only the parameter I provided the aspect ratio. Let's see what will happen. I'm making those things because of I want to compare which AI is providing, the paid one and the free one, who is providing you the more realistic and more near to accurate photo. So we already got our result. Yes, here we can get some insight, like light is good, but I would say this free AI just provided more accurate, like realistic. So here is two pros and cons. One is these tools cannot read any sort of image format. We know 4 image format in a web: number 1 JPG, number 2 PNG, number 3 WebP, and number 5 AVIF. Last two format these tools cannot just read. What is the solution? Is you can download that photo and you can upload, or you can convert then upload, or another the tricks, you can take screenshot of this photo and you can upload in this image to prompt plugins. But no doubt when you are just running or browsing, you can just provide or write praise and you can get like a prompt like that. So here if I provide this prompt to our AI, let's see what is result coming up in this Midjourney as well. So AR 3x2, and I'll provide the version. I should mention the version 6.1 or etc. And then this photo amazed me. Let's see this sort of photo. Let's see what is providing us. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that is the near to accurate photo. I'm impressed with that photo because of what was our main photo. Main photo was like that. Main photo, yes, here was that photo, but we got more than clear photo. But here some thing which is not destroyed or something. Let's see the Midjourney photo as well provided the nice result. So for the lemon, close-up cut lemon, let's see how it is doing. Okay, Control Command V, and then again in a Midjourney, let's see. So after providing the version 6, it is providing us the more accurate. So version 6 and here 3.2. Let's see what is the result is coming. So we should try this prompt with the version 6. So again I'm providing that prompt with the version 6. Okay, let's see the result. Yeah, that is the close cut images we choose from. So this, like this photo, this was our inspiration, and the free AI Recraft provided us this photo, which is pretty much satisfying. Let's see Midjourney what is providing. So Midjourney is providing near to accurate, more like photography type. So yeah, that's the nice image, and that is. But we provide the prompt like this, and Recraft provided us the near to accurate. So I just told you the pros and cons and the benefits of these tools. You can now use these tools for your preferences. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Until the next video, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.